Duna is Kerbal Space Program's equivalent to Mars. Getting there requires a large rocket with nuclear engines. The new NERV rocket in KSP-2 is efficient but heavy. A powerful first stage is required to get the nuclear engine into space. Launch straight up and start a gravity turn. Jettison the boosters at about 80,000 kilometers. Turn off the engines and restart them when you're about 30 seconds from apoapsis. Continue until you are in close orbit around Kerban. Get into a high orbit around Kerban. This allows for a faster warp time for the alignment with Duna. Advance time until Kerban is about 45 degrees behind Duna. Zoom back into Kerban and set a maneuver node. Right-click to set Duna as the target. Advance the maneuver node prograde icon. Stop when 1A and 1B are close together. Right-click on 1A or 1B to see the distance to target. A dashed line will suddenly appear when you have an intercept course with Duna. You may need to zoom in, click on the maneuver icon until it turns blue, and move it to change your starting point. Time warp until you're close to Duna encounter. When you're within Duna's sphere of influence, set up a maneuver node to achieve orbit. A couple more maneuvers and you should be in close orbit around Duna. Select a landing site. Landing is the most difficult part of the mission. Parachutes don't help much on Duna. After a bounce, I was able to land successfully.